Now this is the next point as per the isomerism, that is structural isomerism. It can be used five types of the isomerism. First is ionization isomerism, second is hydrate isomerism, third is coordination isomerism, again linkage isomerism, last will be coordination position isomerisms. Now what is the difference between each isomerism? Now when we have taken as a ionization isomerisms. Ionization isomerism can be defined as these are the isomers. That is, these are the isomers in which that is the positions of the ions are within and outside the that is coordination spheres. The study of that is the position of ions are within and outside the coordination spheres. When we have taken that time, these isomers are called as ionization isomers, and phenomenon is called as ionization isomerisms. If we have taken here that is CONH3 5Br SO4 and CONH3 5SO4 Br. Now this both complexes are similar, but what is the difference here? When we have taken this first complex, in case of the first complex, there is Br is within the coordination sphere. Now this part is called as the coordination sphere, and when we have taken this Br, it is within the coordination sphere, and here Br is outside the coordination spheres. What happens in case of SO4? SO4 is outside the coordination spheres, and in case of this complex, it is within the coordination spheres. Now when we have taken such complexes, that time they can be shows difference in case of the both complexes. Now this first CONH3 5Br SO4, this complex is red violet, and in case of this complex there is a Br is within the coordination sphere, SO4 is outside the coordination spheres. Again what happens here? Here the presence of SO4 it can be checked by the addition of BaCl2 solutions. Again here what happens? Now when we have taken this will be called as the this complex is called as the red color complex, and when we have taken here SO4 is within the coordination spheres, Br is outside the coordination spheres, and when we have taken Br, it is a halogen, it can be detected, it can be checked by addition of AgNO3 solutions, and therefore both, that is here cations and anions. When we have taken here central metal ion, this will be taken as a most important part. It can be possesses coordination sphere and the ligands within the coordination sphere and outside the coordination sphere. This can be studied. It is called as the ionization isomerisms. Here ions are most important. That is, these ions are most important where they can be, their position is present. This idea can be taken. Now second that is isomers, it is called as the hydrate isomerisms. Hydrate means that is the isomers in which the replacement of the ligands by the water molecule can be takes place. Such isomers are called as the hydrate isomers. The addition of water molecules, when we have taken the, in case of the complex, the change of the properties can be takes place. If we have taken in case of first complex, there will be the presence of 4 water molecules. Chromium, 4 water molecules. Cl2 can be taken, ClCl2H2O. It will be possesses green color. Again, when we have taken Cl here, 5H2O. 1 H2O can be increases, 1 Cl can be decreases, and therefore this idea can be taken as concept to blue-green color. Again here CrH2O6, all are 6 water molecules in the coordination spheres, hence color is violet color. Now again it should come towards coordination isomerism. Coordination isomerism is nothing but the isomers in which metal atom and ligands are interchanged in case of the complexes. The complexes in which metal atom and ligands are interchanged, such complexes are called as the coordination isomerisms. If we have taken here first complex, that is CuNH3 4, again PtCl4, this is one of the complex. Again, second complex we have taken here that here copper, instead of this copper, platinum can be taken here. This copper shifted here. This becomes as Pt NH4 again CuCl4. That is interchange of the, you can say, ligands can be takes place. Interchange of the here central metal atom can be takes place if we have taken this idea as concerned the complex formations. Again, linkage isomerisms. In case of the linkage isomers can be defined as the isomers in which the ambident ligands can be useful. Ambident ligands are nothing but the ligands having, that is, you can say, two atoms having, that is, attachments. In case of one complex, they can be attached by one atom. In another complex, they can be attached by the another different atoms. And therefore, what happens here? If we have taken here NH3 cobalt, again here NO2 can be taken. Here this NO2, it is a ambident ligand. It can be attached here by the use of nitrogens. Now again, in case of same complex, you have taken here that NH3 ONO is called as the NO2. Here the attachment will be called as the oxygen atom can be attached to this cobalt, and therefore attachment can be different, and this can be possible by using of the ambident ligands. Again, if you have taken here palladium, bipyridine palladium, NCS. NCS means isothiocyanate. These are the ligands, the isothiocyanate ligands. Now here NCS. Now similarly here SCN, thiocyanate. Here attachment is sulfur, here attachment will be nitrogen. Same complex can be taken, and therefore it is called as linkage isomerism. How it can be linked with the ligands? This idea can be taken as concerned to ambident ligands. Which atom will be useful as concerned to here attachment? That is, the isomers can be taken here. Here, that is, this will be taken as isothiocyanate. They will be thiocyanate. Again, last will be coordination positions. Now, when we have taken coordination positions, how the ligands can be coordinated to the central metal atom, this idea can be taken. Now, in case of coordination position isomers, here bridging ligands can be taken into considerations, which will be taken as mu amido, mu oxo. This idea can be written in case of this complex. Now we should see first complex here, 4 ammonia ligands, here 2 ammonia, totally 6 ammonia ligands can be taken. Dicobalt molecule, this will be 2 cobalt can be taken. Again 2 Cl2 can be taken. And again the coordination position can be changed in case of second complex. Same complex here, among the 6 ammonia ligands we have taken 3 ammonia ligands here, again 3 ammonia ligands here. Cl2, 1 Cl here, 1 Cl. Outside will be same, and therefore it is called as the coordination position isomerism. And therefore don't forget that cell types of the isomerism can be classified into that is, you can say, geometrical isomers, optical isomers. These are the parts as concerned to stereoisomers. And when we have taken as a structural isomers, that time they can be possesses all these 5 groups, means here ionization, hydrate, again coordination, linkage, coordination position. These are the different types of the isomers which comes in case of structural isomerism.